Good afternoon, YouTube modeling community. Robert Bishop from RB Model Works coming at you from Moscow, Idaho. I know I was gonna do this a little sooner, but I had some kind of wanted to do a build video where I did like a 3-4 part just to show progress and stuff. Just had a few issues and couldn't get to a video last week, so here we are this week. I'm probably about 3/4 done with my car. This is for NASCAR and race car. I can't remember the page. Anyway, it's for a build off, and it's a North Wilksboro build off. So I tried to pick what I had in my stash at the time for cars and decals. I was wanting to do a 60s car, but just couldn't seem to find the pictures from North Wilkesboro from the 60s. So this is what I landed on, Bill Elliott's 1982 Squarebird that he ran at North Wilkesboro in 1984. I just got the 2K clear on it yesterday, baked it off last night. This stuff here is washi tape. I like it because it's thin. Didn't have any, and I'm going to put a chrome strip on this and the rear bumper. Didn't have but one decal, and these seem to be brittle. They were breaking as I was trying to get them to fold over using Mr. Mark Softer. They were just breaking. So instead of trying to get them to work on the front and rear bumper, I just decided to hand paint them. Whoops. And that's what I did. So I just hand painted it. But anyway, this is ready for color sand. I'm going to start with 3,000 or so. The chassis, it's a box stock build, so and where I'd normally use hose or heat shrink tube, I had to paint the roll bar padding. You can see I got the Melling decal on the inside there. And Mobe Graphics, that's the designer for this sheet. And actually, this is, I do believe it was this Power Slide or Wetworks? I think it's Power Slide. Pretty much got that stuff done, ready. I got to get the seat in there. I got to pull out and see if I have any harness decals for that. But you can see I got the suspension done. And on this, whoops, excuse me. On this, I've already, let me see if I can get that to focus there. It just doesn't want to focus. Anyway, I moved the spindles up. They're normally right here. Let's see if I can get this at a better angle so you can see it. No, it just doesn't want to, there's too much going on there. But anyway, the spindle's usually right about here. I move it up a 1/16 of an inch so that drops the nose down. That's almost one of the first things I do when I open one of these kits. And everything's just hand painted. Love that Green Stuff World Chrome. You can see it on there. I got it on the firewall as well. That's just hand brush chrome. It's durable. I like it definitely better than Molotow, but they have two kinds. They have the airbrush and the brush. So anyway, back to this. Damn carpet monster visited me this week, even though I don't have carpeting in here. These are supposed to be dual shocks. I had a shock disappear on me. I mean, it went flying somewhere. I don't even know when or where. So I made it a single shock system. And what I do to drop the back is, you can see I cut the spring mount on this. So basically, and you can see my shocks aren't attached. So basically the weight of the model will drop it down and give me the proper ride height in the rear. So, and I got the tires done. These are the chrome ones in the kit. And then I used GX 111 clear gold, Mr. Color. See, those look nice. Apply my decals. And then I use Tester's Square Bottle Dull Coat. That stuff works great on really dulling it out. Got the motor ready to go. It's painted Tester's gunmetal. And the transmission is aluminum. MCW carb gold. You can see that's pretty much ready to go. The exhaust, got it ready to go. I got to touch up the dash, little flat black where I got some chrome paint around there. Normally I just add bezels, but again, since it's a box stock build. And I got to touch those up with some red. But this front piece is ready to go on. The firewall is ready to go on. And that's about where we're at. I got the front shocks done and ready. Thankfully, this sheet came with some of the Bilstein shock decals. I do need to do the black little black rubber thing right here that marks where it's at. I forget what they call them. But anyway, that's where I'm at with this. Sorry I didn't do an update video or a build video last week. My next video will most likely just be a completed build of this car, and we'll just go from there. So anyway, guys, I'm rambling on. I appreciate you stopping by and watching. If you will, please like and subscribe. I appreciate it, and y'all have a blessed day and stay safe.